Hello everyone, this is Mohit Dubey working as a software developer at SourceBay. Today we are going to solve a problem how to fix dependency error coming on use effect. So in React, many of us has been encountered the warning which is usually coming on use effect when we are working on use effect on React. So this is usually happens when we are working with a value and we are using empty dependency here. So to remove this, we could simply use the command which is being provided by the ESLint, that is this. When we save it, so this could remove the dependency warning on use effect, or either we could use simply the value which we are using there in a empty array dependency. So both of the solution has been provided to remove the warning on use effect when we are working on use effect. So this is usually happen when we are working on use effect, and this could change the value on multiple re-renders. So on changing multiple on work when the use effect has been rendered multiple times, so this could change the value also. And when we are console when we do console log it, so this would change the value, and that's why it's showing the warning on use effect. So this is it. Thank you everyone.